7 raised to the power of 2 plus 7 equals what? What's our answer? And we have here no calculator needed. Hi there, this is Daily Mathematics. Today you are welcome to this video where we have to solve this very wonderful question. So how do we solve this? Well, after solving this, we have another question here that we're going to also solve, which is similar to this one, right? So the first thing, so let's start with our solution, right? So let's start with our solution. So the first thing we're going to do here is rewrite the question. Let's rewrite the question first. So we have 7 raised to the power of 5, right, plus 7 raised to the power of 4, plus 7 raised to the power of 3, right, plus 7 raised to the power of 2, plus 7. Now the first step I would want to take here is just by grouping them, right? We'll group them. How do we group them? So we can group them like this, and we can group them like this. You can just bracket these two and these two together, and this one stands alone. So after bracketing this, so we now like we're having different brackets here. So we have 7 raised to the power of 5 and 7 raised to the power of 4. What is common in 7 raised to the power of 5 and 7 raised to the power of 4? So we can see we can bring out 7 raised to the power of 4 from here, and we can also bring it out from here. So we say that 7 raised to the power of 4 is common, right? So we have 7 raised to the power of 4, and we bring it out from here, 7 raised to the power of 4, right? So when we bring it out from here, so when we bring out 7 raised to the power of 4 from 7 raised to the power of 5, it becomes 7. 7 is left. And when we bring out this from itself, 7 raised to the power of 4 from itself, it becomes 1, right? So from here, we have plus. So we do the same thing for here. What's common in 7 raised to the power of 3 and 7 raised to the power of 2? 7 raised to the power of 2 is common. And as it's common, when we bring it out from here, when we bring out 7 raised to the power of 2 from 7 raised to the power of 3, it gives us 7, right? Plus, and when we bring out 7 raised to the power of 2 from 7 raised to the power of 2, it gives us 1, right? And we have our plus 7, right? So from here, what's the next thing to do? Let's add the numbers in the bracket. So from here, we have 7 raised to the power of 4, right? Multiplied by, or bracket, 7 plus 1 gives us 8, plus 7 raised to the power of 2, right, bracket, 7 plus 1 gives us 8, plus 7, right? So from here we have these numbers. So from here we can also bracket these things. So from here we can also bracket these things. When we bracket it like this, we can see that we have 8 common here and here in both this place and this place. And so when we bring out 8 from here, we factorize 8. When we bring out 8 from here, we have 7 raised to the power of 4 here, right? 7 raised to the power of 4 plus, and when we bring out 8 from here, we have 7 raised to the power of 2, right? So plus 7, right? So after doing this, we can see now that still 7 raised to the power of 4 and 7 raised to the power of 2, we can see that they are something common. What is common? 7 raised to the power of 2 is common. So from here, we can bring out 8 brackets, right? 8 brackets. So when we bring out 7 raised to the power of 2, so we can just bring it like have our double bracket here. So we bring out 7 raised to the power of 2 common, right? Common bracket. So when we bring out 7 raised to the power of 2 from here, it becomes 7 raised to the power of 2, right? And when we bring out 7 raised to the power of 2 from here, it becomes 1, right? And we have our double bracket plus 7. Is that clear? Right? So from here we have 8 brackets. So from here we have 7 squared, right, multiplied by 7 squared. 7 squared is 49, plus 1 bracket plus 7, right? So from here, what do we have? So from here we have 8 bracket, 7 squared is also 49, right, multiplied by, that's times, 49 plus 1 gives us 50, right? 49 plus 1 gives us 50, and from here we have plus 7. So we'll do 49 times 50, that's this times. So 49 times 50 here, 49 times 50 gives us, so we have 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 9, and 5 times 9, 45, 5 times 4, 20, 20 plus 4, 24. So we have 2,450. So we have 8 times 2,450 plus 7. So we'll do the same thing. 8 times 2,450. So we multiply by 8. right? So from here, 8 times 0 gives us 0, right? 8 times 5 gives us 40, right? 0 carry 4. 8 times 4 gives us 32. 32 plus 4, 36. 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Right? So we have 19,600. So we have 19,600 plus 7. So then we add 7 here. It gives us 70691, giving us 19,607, right? So this now gives us answer of this question, now gives us 19,607, right? So from here you can see all the beautiful steps I've taken for solving this question here, right? So we have another similar question here, which is this question here, right? Just similar like this one we've done here, just similar like this one we've done here. So what do? We do the same thing, right? What is the method we started with? By bracketing. So let's start with the question. Let's write the question. Write the question. Solution. So we write the question: 9 raised to the power of 5, right? Plus 9 raised to the power of 4, plus 9 raised to the power of 3, right? Plus 9 raised to the power of 2, plus 9 raised to the power of 1. So what do? We bracket this place. We can just group them, right? So that we can just factorize the numbers out. So we can group them to factorize. So from here, what do we see? We can see here that 9 raised to the power of 5 and 9 raised to the power of 4, we have numbers in common. What's the number in common? 9 raised to the power of 4 is common. We want to factorize it completely. So from here, we can bring out 9 raised to the power of 4. We can bring out 9 raised to the power of 1. When we bring out 9 raised to the power of 4 from here, we have 9. And when we bring out 9 raised to the power of 4 from here, we have 1, right? So plus. Now this one, we're going to do the same thing for here. We have 9 raised to the power of 3 and 9 raised to the power of 2. What's common in these numbers? So 9 raised to the power of 2 is common. Since we can find it here and here, we can factorize it out. And when we bring it 9 raised to the power of 2 from this number, it gives us 9. And when we bring out 9 raised to the power of 2 from 9 raised to the power of 2, it gives us 1, right? Plus 9 raised to the power of 1 we have here, right? Good. So from here, let's just state that we bracket this one, for example. We can bracket this one, for example, why we are seeing something common. 9 plus 1 is common in this place and this place. So we can just say 9 plus 1, right? We can bring it out. Bracket 9 raised to the power of 4. When we bring out 9 plus 1 from here, it gives us 9 raised to the power of 4. And when we bring out 9 plus 1 from here, it gives us 9 raised to the power of 2, right? Plus 9 raised to the power of 1, right? Good. So from here, what can we see? So from here, we can see 9 plus 1 gives us 10. 10 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 4 plus 9 raised to the power of 2, right? Plus 9 raised to the power of 1 gives us 9. So that's settled. So from here, what's the next thing to do? So from here, we can see we have 10. You can see here that 9 raised to the power of 4 and 9 raised to the power of 2, there is something in common between them. What is common? 9 raised to the power of 2, we can find it here and here. So we can bring out 9 raised to the power of 2 from here. When we bring out 9 raised to the power of 4, it's left with 9 raised to the power of 2. And when we bring out 9 raised to the power of 2 from 9 raised to the power of 2, we're left with 1, right? Bracket plus 9, right? So from here, we have 10 brackets 9 raised to the power of 2, that's 9 squared, which is 81, right? Bracket 9 squared also is 81 plus 1, right? And then we have plus 9. So we have 10 bracket 81 multiplied by 81 plus 1 gives us 82, right? Plus 9. So what do we have here? We have here, so from here we can open this bracket. 10 times 81, right? Okay, this is 81 times 2, so we can just do 81 times 2 from here. Let's just do 81 times 2. 81 times 2 times 82, sorry, times 82. So from here we have 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 8, 16, right? 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 8, 64. 64, so we have 2, 6 plus 8, 14. 1 that's giving us 6, right? 6, so this is giving us 6,642, right? So this is, let this one be out. So this is giving us 10 bracket 6,642 plus 9. So 10 times 6,642 gives us 6,642 0 plus 9. So when we add 0 and add 9, what's it giving us? 92466. So it is giving us 66,429, right? So this is now giving us 66,429, which is our final answer for this question right here, right? For this question, 9 raised to the power 5 plus 9 raised to the power 4 plus 9 raised to the power 3 plus 9 raised to the power 2 plus 9 raised to the power 1. And don't forget, we solved this other question using 7. So this is 7 version, 7 like that, and we had our answer 19,607, and for the 9 we are having 66,429, right? So what do we do now here? If I'm to leave you with a question, I'll leave you with this question here. How about 6 raised to the power 5, right? How about 6 raised to the power 5 plus 6 raised to the power 4 plus 6 raised to the power 3 plus 6 raised to the power 2 plus 6 raised to the power 1? What will be this answer, right? So you can just take your time and try this question out, right? Take your time and solve this. What will be this answer? 6 raised to the power 5 plus 6 raised to the power 4 plus 6 raised to the power 3 plus 6 raised to the power 2 plus 6 raised to the power 1. What will be this answer, right? Right, so what will be this answer here? So from here, if you want to solve it, let me just leave you with this bonus question. So from here, if you want to solve this, so it will still be the same way. First of all, by bracketing this, by grouping, we're trying to group it. We'll group it to find numbers in common, right? We're going to group it, and so from here, where we group it, so we're having 6 raised to the power 5 plus 6 raised to the power 4, right? So we're having 6 raised to the power 5 plus 6 raised to the power 4. So from here, we can bring out 6 raised to the power 4 because it's common in both this place and this place. So when we bring out 6 raised to the power 4, right, it becomes 6 here. And when we bring out 6 raised to the power 4, it becomes 1, right? So from here, we have our plus. What's common here? 6 raised to the power 2 is common. When we bring out 6 raised to the power 2 from here, it becomes 6 raised to the power 3, right? And when you bring out 6 raised to the power of 2 from here, it becomes 1. So it becomes 6, right? So plus 6 raised to the power of 1, which is 6, right? So from here was the next thing. We have 6 raised to the power of 4 times 6 plus 1 gives us 7, plus 6 raised to the power of 2 times 6 plus 1 also gives us 7, plus 6. Now we can also bracket this one and group it here, seeing that 7 is common here and here, right? So from here we can bring out 7 out, and when we bring out 7 out, it becomes 6 raised to the power of 4 plus 6 raised to the power of 2, and we have our plus 6, right? So from here we can also look for what number is common here by bringing out 6 raised to the power of 2. The 6 raised to the power of 2 is common both here and here, so we can bring it out. So we have 7. We now have a double bracket 6 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by, when we bring out 6 raised to the power of 2 from here, it becomes 6 raised to the power of 2 that is left, right? Plus, and when we bring out 6 raised to the power of 2 from here, it becomes 1, right? So we have plus 6, 7 bracket 6 squared, that's 36, multiplied by 6 squared, that's 36. 36 plus 1 gives us 37, right? Plus 6. So we'll have 36 times 37, right? So we have 36 times 37. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So we have 2, 13, 3, 1, right? So giving us 1,332. So this is giving us 1,300, and that's times 7 plus 6. So we'll do 1,332. Let's have it here. So let's do 1,300 times 32. 300 times 332 times 7, right? So from here, 7 times 2 gives us 14. 7 times 3 gives us 21. 21 plus 1 gives us 22. So we have to carry 2. 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus 2 gives us 23. 7 times 1 gives us 7. 7 plus 2 gives us 9. So we have 9,324, right? Plus 6. When we add 6, 6 plus 4, 10. 0, carry 1. So we have 339. So our answer here now gives us, when we have, so our answer for this question, for this bonus question we have here, is now, right? So answer here is now 9,333, right? 9,333, right? So this now becomes the end of our questions, having solved 3 questions. This is the first one, this is the second one, right? And this is the last one we just solved, right? Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to leave your genuine thoughts in the comments. Thank you very much.